What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the North Rider, and today we're going to be doing a bike check on the Calibre 2 Cubed, and also, if you hang around to the end, I've got something to give to you. So starting off with the brakes, we've got the MT200, we've got 180 and 160mm rotors. Also with the crankset is a Shimano MT100 set as well. RockShox travel up the front, we've got turnkey 100mm travel, that's the XC30s. Also the tyres, we've got the WTB Trail Boss, which is a wire bead 27.5 inch and it's a 2.25 inch width as well. The shifters are looking great up the top. We've got the Shimano EF505 3x system. So you've got 9 speed on there and also got great shifting ability. The cassette is also a Shimano, which is the HG200. Again, it's a 911 34 tooth, which is a really good range for getting everywhere. So looking at the grips at the front, we've got the Entity lock-ons and also the bars, which are an alloy, which are 760mm. The head angle of this bike is 67.5 degrees and also the reach is 440mm, which is 17.32 inches. So thank you so much for coming back time and time again. Now, as promised, I did say that I was going to give you something. But before we do that, if you haven't clicked on the like and the subscribe button, then do so down below. That would be absolutely fantastic. Helps the channel out. Now, on to the free stuff. This stuff, Interflon. Now, it's not just this product here, there are various other items. Now, if you want to go and purchase something from Interflon, and the stuff is absolutely fantastic, they have given me my own discount code and it's down below. So if you check out the description box, go to their website, see all of their wares and all of their fantastic products that they've got for sale on there. And if you use the Northern Rider 10 code, which is down below, you can copy and paste that, stick that on the end of it, and you'll get your 10% discount, and that's a saving for you. So that's absolutely banging. So guys, as always, I'm the Northern Rider. Thanks for dropping in, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in the face.